Okay, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Barry Umongos. And please do share my page to your friends or classmates, especially those who are taking algebra. Because by this week, it's all about algebra topics that I'm going to post here. Okay. So let us continue our discussions about rational expressions. So we are now on the division of rational expressions. So we're done with the multiplication. Okay. Again, in this particular problem, we need to solve, a rational expression to its lowest terms. Okay. Now, suppose we have here our first example. Find the quotient in lowest terms. So, yan kasi yung main objective natin eh. To solve this in its lowest terms. Okay. Now, recall in finding the quotient of a fraction, no? It's just the same on how to answer this. Okay, first step that we need to do here is we simply copy 81xy cubed over 36z. Then, since this is a division, this will become multiplication. Then, the reciprocal of this rational expression. So, this becomes 12xz over 27x squared y squared. Okay? It is just the same on how we solve fractions. Okay. So what's next? This is already a product. So madali na lang ito kasi product na ito. Okay? So let's write this. Okay? Lihok man siya. Hindi balance. Kasi may ball pen dito. Okay. So let's write 81. Get the factors of 81. Ano kaya yung factors ng 81? You have 9 times 9, correct? So you have 9 times 9. How about the 12? You have times 12. Then, multiply the variable x. X times x, you have x squared. Then, just copy the other variable. Cube z. Whole over. Factor of 36, 9 times 4. 9 times 4z. How about the 27? You have 9 times 3. Then, you have x squared, y squared, z. Okay? So, as you observe, we could cancel numbers which are common in the numerator and in the denominator. So, let's cancel. We could cancel 9. We could cancel 9. And 12. What is 4 times 3? That is 12, right? So we could cancel 12. Okay. So from here, we could also cancel x squared, correct? We could cancel x squared. And we could cancel z. So we could cancel y squared. What is left here? Y na lang. So what's your final answer? Your final answer would be y. Okay? It looks like na mahirap sagutin, no? Tapos yung sagot lang pala is y lang pala. Okay? Okay, I'll give you another example. I hope na-enjoy kayo, ano? Alam ko na-i-enjoy kayo dito kasi division to eh. And I know magagaling kayong mag-divide, no? Okay, another example. Okay, let's erase this. I left my I left my eraser at the office. Hindi na ako nakapagpunta doon sa office. So, example number 2. You have x squared minus 2x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 7x plus 12 over divided by x squared minus 4x minus 5 all over x minus 4. Okay. Again, we need to solve this. So, ano nga yung ginawa natin? We just copy the first rational expression. I-arrange lang muna natin. This becomes x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x squared minus 7x plus 12. Then this becomes times. So the reciprocal, so that becomes x minus 4 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Now, we already knew that the numerator here can be factored. The denominator here can be factored. The denominator here can be factored. So let's factor that one so that we could reduce that to its lowest term. We could reduce the product to its lowest term rather. So, what's the factor of the first numerator here? This is a trial and error method. You could have x minus 3 times x plus 1 all over. Just look at 12. And then the middle term is negative 7. So the factors of 12 are 4 and 3. So we make it negative. X minus 3 times x minus 4 times copy x minus 4 all over this one. Trial and error method. What are the factors of 5? Then the middle term is negative 4. So we could have x minus 5 and x plus 1. So at this point, hahanapin nyo na yung common sa numerator at saka denominator. No? So, we could cancel x minus 3, x minus 3. We could cancel x minus 4. We could cancel x plus 1. Oh! So, your final answer would be 1 over x minus 5. Okay? Madali lang ano? So, I hope you've learned something from this example. Okay, I am looking for another example here. Okay. That is our second example. Let's solve for another example. Our third example. So you can have sample number 3. Okay. Next na lang. Okay, let's erase this. I hope may natutunan kayo dito, no? On how to divide a rational expression. So, example number 3. We could have x squared plus 9x plus 14 Okay. All over x squared plus 4x minus 21 divided by x squared minus 3x minus 10 all over x squared plus 2x minus 35. Okay, yan. So, klarong-klaro yan na lahat ay ifa-factor natin. No? Sige. Let's solve this. Okay, first is we need to make this as a product of two rational expression. So you have x squared plus 9x plus 14 all over x squared plus 4x minus 21 times x squared plus 2x minus 35 all over x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, so it's already a product. Now we knew that we should factor all of this. Now, so that we could reduce it to its lowest term. Okay, so it's already a product, so we need to look for the factors. Okay, the first numerator is x squared plus 9x plus 14. So for trial and error method, look for the factors of 14, which is 7 and 2, and positive 7 and 2. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So we could have x plus 7, x plus 2. All over. Okay, trial and error again for negative 21. So we will use 7 and 3, no? So we could have x plus 7 times x minus 3. Because 7 minus 3 is 4, no? 7 times negative 2 is negative 21. So times, okay, this one, x squared plus 2x minus 35. So what are the factor? Just looking at negative 35. So 7 and 5. So 7 yung positive kasi 2x sa gitna eh. So x plus 7 times x minus 5. All over factor of the denominator, negative 10. So 5 and 2. Negative 3 dito. So si 5 yung negative. So x minus 5 times x plus 2. Okay? So yan yung factors na yan. So from there, makikita natin ang mga common sa numerator at saka denominator. Okay? So dito, klarong-klaro, you can cancel x plus 7. So ano pa ba? Si x plus 2. Si x minus 5. So your answer would be x plus 7 over x minus 3. Okay, that's it. I hope may na-learn kayo ngayon about division of rational expressions. Maraming salamat po, and don't forget to share it to your classmates, your siblings, and your friends, especially those who are turning grade 7 and grade 8 and the incoming first year college. Salamat po and good evening.